we are going to go into town today. I was going to drive and get propane, but I am just not up to it yet. So we're going to go in Frugal's truck and going to go get food, and I'm going to start cooking Bandit's food. Just don't trust commercial dog foods anymore, even the prescription dog foods for pancreatitis that are low fat and so forth. I'm just not going to do it. So I'm gonna get food to cook for him, and I've got packages at Moon Mountain we're gonna pick up. And what else are we doing? Moon Mountain and Roadrunner, huh?
Grocery store.
Yeah, so I think that's it today, and then tomorrow I'll go get propane, right? All right, here we go. Tents up, RVs are in place. And the first show at Tyson Wells started. That's gonna be Moon Mountain. On Moon Mountain Avenue. Oh wow, they're not crowded.
That's awesome.
It is awesome. I don't think that's ever happened before.
Hello.
We got there just in time. It's the parking lot's full now that we're backing out and heading out. Good timing, Frugal.
I know.
Roadrunner, on the other hand, is packed. We'll see how it goes when we get in here. The things we do for our puppies. It is packed. Hey, chopping broccoli, beef, turkey, apple, sweet potato, a banana, squash, and carrots. These should be set. Ready? Woo! Just stopped at a vendor that had mats, RV mats, and I finally got my RV mats for the season. We'll need some at Tyson Wells, and I don't have one anymore outside my rig, and it really helps keep the dust down. So I am looking forward to setting that out, and it's actually a KOKO Pelly, and I didn't think to film any while I was there. I was looking at sizes and prices, and just a sweet couple in front of K&B main store, not the K&B tent, but the K&B main store, and I'll try to get a picture of them or a shot of their vendor place later on to show you, because they had some great prices. Go home.
We're ready.
Yeah, that's it. I'm wiped out, you guys. It's La Posa West out there. People park close to town so they can walk to town. But as is the case with any of these LTVAs, long-term visitor areas, there's La Posa West, La Posa North, La Posa South, La Posa, I can't remember them all. There's like 7 of them. But a lot of people congregate up front close to the gate and by the highway. But if you pull in and you go further out, you can get away from the crowds and camp like we do, where we're out and there's nobody around us. So, you know, Quartzsite, everybody talks about how crowded it is and everything, but it doesn't have to be. You get to do whatever you want to do and whatever works best for you. I don't know what that is.
Kind of feels like a seat cushion.
I thought it was Sammy's birthday gift.
Seat cushion, some kind of cushion.
Oh, I don't remember getting such a thing.
Make sure your name's on it. is it? Blanket?
Oh, it's my cozy. I got me a cozy.
What's a cozy?
It's a
Blanket?
blanket that goes on front of you.
Oh.
Sammy, did you just roll in the dirt?
Big pen.
Big pen. And here is one of my Kokopelli mats. I'm so happy to have gotten because they're hard to find anymore. And this one is a 4x7. Woohoo! It was a pretty good run today. I was really glad to get my rugs. I got 3 rugs for less than one rug that was at Wally's World, which is an RV shop in Yuma. So that was good. I got 2 4x7s and a 9x12 for $127. And at Wally's World in Yuma, they were, it was an 8x16 for $130. So I did really good on that today. And if this food works for Bandit that I showed you, that it looks like it will cost about $100 a month to feed him. That is quite the increase on my budget, but baby boy is totally worth it. Hope that you've had a good day and enjoyed running errands with us today. We'll see you down the road. Keep on keeping on.